The field of ecoacoustics is a new field which allows us to record the sounds of wildlife. Wildlife tend to be very difficult to spot in forests. They often hide or they're active at night time. There's different methods of doing research, and we've developed the area of ecoacoustics as a way of more cost effectively surveying and monitoring species. Okay, so what I'm doing here is setting a sound recorder. This particular one is called a song meter. All the sounds for that past 2 weeks have been recorded onto our SD card. We can then take that back to the office, put it in the computer and scan it with our AI algorithm to identify our target species of interest. So our work is really useful for that bigger picture because we're developing new methods to try and understand biodiversity and how that's changing over time. There's increasing pressures on biodiversity, and to be able to manage threatened species and like the huge variety of species that we have, we need better quality scientific information. In the past it was very difficult to do this, but we now have 10 years of monitoring data on different species. We can look at the effects of major events like the Black Summer fires. We've had big floods in New South Wales as well that we've continued to track different species through over time. I'd really like to see these monitoring programs that we've begun spread across the landscape, become more extensive and become entrenched in what we do to measure sustainability. It's a great honour to win this prize. Science in the public service is a really important thing. There are many fantastic scientists that do great work in the public service, and I think it's really good to see the government supports that scientific work. But also the work that we do now is building on the really great work of past forest ecologists that have worked in our group, and currently we also have an amazing team of scientists which, without that team, the work that we've done just wouldn't have been possible.